So today I will be showing you all how I use my iPhone 7 to edit my YouTube videos. Just to let you know, all of the apps I will be using are free. With all that being said, let's get into this video. So going inside our iPhone, we're going to go to the app Viva Video. And then once you get into Viva Video, that's the home page. And we're going to click Edit Video. And then when you get to this screen, you see at the top where it says video or photo. And since the white box is around the video, that's how you know you can pick from the videos in your phone gallery. So then you pick from the videos you like to edit, and you'll then move the little white arrow back and forth on the video timeline to see where you would like to start and stop your video. And when you get it to where you want it to stop and start, then you see the next button that's in the right hand corner beside the video and photo button. You just push that and it'll bring you to this page. And then to add another video, just push the plus sign in the bottom right hand corner, then push gallery, and it'll bring you back to this page. Okay, so then when you get back to this page, you're going to add another snippet of this first video into the video that we already kind of got. And then we're going to pick another video and then move that timeline together. Then at the top right hand corner where you see the next button, it's going to say 2 beside it, so that's how you know you picked 2 videos. It's going to bring you to the same screen, and here is where you can move the videos clips around to make them flow in the way that you want it to. So then on the editing toolbar, you can move it around. You want to go all the way to the end where it says transition, and this is where you can add different transitions to different videos. So how you want your videos to go into the next clip. This is how I give it away. Look very professional. So now I'm just about to show you how the transitions look after you put them in your video clips. So after you like all the transitions, then you just push the share button, which is at the top right hand corner, and it'll bring you to this screen. Then just push export and it'll start saving your video to your gallery. You have to wait in the same screen until it gets all the way to 100% or it won't save your video. After your video saved, close out of Viva Video, go into your photo gallery, and at the bottom of your photo gallery you should see your new video that you just saved. Watch it and make sure it's straight, and if it is, then you're good to go. Well guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you liked and got some really great tips from it. If you did, give this video a like, share, and comment. I'll see you guys later. Starting in the Fonto app, we're going to push the camera button at the bottom, push photo albums to get into our gallery. Then we're going to go to camera roll, and I'm going to pick the last photo that I took. Actually, I screenshot it. Then we're going to go to done. And then we're going to tap the screen so that you can see add text appear. And then this is where you start writing in whatever you want your thumbnail to say. So I'm going my thumbnail to say, Going, well, no, not going. Okay, I don't like that font. So we're going to push font. I'm going to choose a different font. Let's choose that one. Nope, don't like that one either. Let's go back. So now I'm going to choose a different font. You see the alphabet on the right hand side. I'll just push that, go which one letter I want to start with. I'm going to choose I'm going to choose I'm going to choose one of my favorites to use is ranchers. So I'm going to use ranchers. Then I'm going to type, I'm doing a giveaway. Then I'm going to push a line to the center. And then we're done. Okay, so now put your finger over the text that you just wrote. Bring it up to wherever you want to put it on your photo. Then push size. We're going to size it, make it a little bigger. See how it looks. Okay, it's too big. Still a little too big. Bring it back down a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Move it over a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Then tap the screen, push style. Okay, so we're going to make it a little bit better looking. So you're going to go over up the top to style. Then you're going to go to alpha and you're going to push that all the way. It's going to make it more defined. Then you're going to go to blur, limit that a little bit. Then you're going to push done. This is really the only thing that I do in here. Then look down to the left hand corner where the 3 lines are. Push that. Then you're going to add an item. And then you're going to then move over to the spoken bubble next to the star. Then choose the one that's in the second column, 4th row. Looks like I don't know what that is, but that's the one we're going to pick. Then you're going to tap it and we're going to change the color. We want to change the color to a green color. Okay, we're going to see, let's see the lime green maybe. Yeah, that's the color we're going to use. And we're going to push the done at the top right hand corner. Then we're going to resize that so that it fits our text. Then we're going to tap the screen because we want to add an emoji because we are excited about this giveaway. Then we're going to resize it and move it to where we want it to go and then tilt it a little bit. Add another emoji. Then by this time we are about finished, so you're going to push the box with the arrow at the bottom right hand corner, push save image and exit photo. Going into Facetune app, going to select the image that we just did, and then you're going to go down to retouch, then auto, then details. Then you want to go over every detail that you want to stand out in the picture. So like I go over my background since I'm in the car, my hair, my eyebrows, my dimple, my jacket, and I also go over the words, so the text. And then I'll take that little blue meter at the bottom there and I'll push it. I usually put it to like between 50 and 70. That's as much as I'll do. And that's pretty much it for Facetune. Then just click the check mark and then click the box with the arrow, push save to camera roll, and that's you're finished with your thumbnail. So thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comments and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.